Right, after watching a video on YouTube of how to change the bulb, I wasn't going to start taking all the side panels off and all of this. So what I did is straighten the handlebars and went in from here. Let me see if I can. I don't know, I've got big enough hands and I can do it, so I think anyone can do it if you see the size of my hands. So I think if I can do it, anyone can. Underneath here, just put my hands in at the side here, undid the cables, took the rubber protector off, and there's a fiddly clip, but all you do is press that clip down and lift it up and it releases the bulb. Take the old one out and put the new one in. 12 volt 35 watt HS1. It's cheap enough. Cost me out here €7. It's about £5, and it saves me taking all the side panels off like the other video I saw on YouTube. Anyway, hope it helps.